Hopefully you've had a little time to think about the top 3 customer needs you can address. Awesome. Now we'll turn these customer problems into opportunities by transforming them into how might we's. How might we's do a great job of reframing the problem into a question that helps you brainstorm. And here's some examples of turning our customer problems into how might we's. Back in our example project, the first problem that Devin the DevOps has is difficulty managing secrets and credentials across environments. So we'll reframe the problem by saying, how might we simplify managing secrets and credentials across environments? So the next problem that the DevOps struggles with is maintaining visibility across microservices. This will be changed to, how might we increase visibility across microservices? And then the last problem Devin has is he's struggling to implement zero trust architecture in dynamic environments. So this will become, how might we simplify implementing zero trust architecture in dynamic environments? Hopefully yours aren't as much of a mouthful as our examples are. All right, so grab a few stickies and write how might we, or you can abbreviate HMW in the top left corner. Then rewrite your 3 problems as how might we's.